Hello traders, before we get started, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. So in this review, I am going to walk through the Aureus MT5 Expert Advisor on the MQL5 Marketplace, break down how it is presented, what it is designed to do, and then take a look at its historical backtesting to understand how it behaves in different market conditions. So here we are on the MQL5 Marketplace page. This is Aureus MT5 by Theo Karam, currently priced at 299 US dollars with version 2.1, updated in October 2024, and 20 activations available. From the information provided, I can confirm this EA is designed exclusively for MetaTrader 5. So this review will be focused on MT5 only. Right away, the key point here is that Aureus MT5 is built specifically for trading gold, okay, which is XAUUSD. So instead of being a multi-currency system, it's focused on a single instrument, which usually means the strategy is highly specialized around that market behavior. Okay, so looking at the description, the EA is built around a price reversal strategy combined with machine learning models. More specifically, it uses three separate strategies, each backed by its own multi-layer perceptron model. Okay, the idea here is that each model filters market conditions differently to identify higher probability reversal points. Now, what stands out is that it is not just one unified signal system, but multiple models working in parallel. That suggests the EA is trying to validate entries through different perspectives before executing trades. Another key feature mentioned is the intelligent volatility filter. This means the EA adapts its activity depending on current market conditions and only participates when volatility is considered suitable. In practice, this type of filter is usually aimed at avoiding unstable or low quality trading environments. There is also an adaptive target definition system which adjusts take profit and stop loss levels based on current market behavior. So instead of fixed exit levels, the EA is dynamically recalculating trade targets depending on how price is moving. On top of that, the EA includes virtual target management. This is important because it means take profit and stop loss levels are not directly visible to the broker, which can help reduce external interference or premature targeting by execution systems. Another feature is the adaptive trailing stop, which allows the EA to lock in profits while still giving trades room to move with the market. So it is not a static trailing system, but one that adjusts based on ongoing conditions. All right, so the developer also highlights prop firm readiness, which usually implies the EA is designed with risk constraints in mind, particularly for evaluation environments where drawdown and consistency rules matter. But before moving into backtesting, it's worth noting that the EA is designed for XAUUSD, works on any time frame, and is intended to run on ECN or low spread brokers for best performance conditions. Now let's shift into the historical backtesting and review how this system performed over a long-term data set. When reviewing the historical testing performance, I'm focusing on how the EA handles both trending and reversal phases in gold across different market cycles. All right, so this Since this is a gold only system, I'm specifically observing how it reacts during high volatility expansions and deeper retracement phases, because those are typically where reversal based systems either perform well or struggle depending on structure. The developer mentions that the EA has been backtested from 2006 to 2024, which gives a very broad historical range. That kind of testing window is useful for evaluating how the system behaves across multiple macro conditions, including different volatility regimes. And what we can see here shows that the EA performed amazingly well. But let's just also go to our own strategy tester to see how the EA performed in recent market conditions. So we're testing the XAUUSD. Sorry, we're testing the Aureus EA on XAUUSD on the on the H1 time frame. We are testing it from the beginning of 2026 um till June, which is the current month, and the delays is last ping to the server that we are using, every tick modeling. All right. Now, it's important to remember that these are just historical backtest results, and real performance can vary depending on execution quality, spreads, slippage, and user configurations such as lot size or risk mode selection. So let's see the results. From an initial deposit of $100,000, the total profit was 340.12. Total trades taken were 214. Short trades were 107 with 83.18% win rate. Long trades were 107 with 86.92% win rate. Now we can also see that the largest profit was $5.51 and the largest loss was $4.14. The average profit was $2.58 and the average loss $4.05. So based on the average profit and loss, we can see that the average risk to reward ratio is pretty bad, and the win rate is impressive actually. So when you put side by side the win rate with the risk to reward ratio, well, I'm not surprised to see a small positive net profit. Now, from a behavioral standpoint, what stands out is the combination of volatility filtering and adaptive trade management. This suggests the EA is trying to avoid low quality market conditions while adjusting its exit behavior dynamically when trades are active. Looking at the overall design, Aureus MT5 appears to be a structured, gold-focused trading system that combines machine learning-based filtering with adaptive risk and trade management features, rather than relying on a single static strategy. As always, I'll recommend running longer term testing yourself and experimenting with different broker conditions and risk settings to better understand how it behaves in real trading environments before considering any live deployment. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.